Yo guys, it's B here. Last video I showed you guys the Nissan Cefiro A31, and in this video I'm going to be wrapping the windows. Well, I'm going to be trying to wrap the windows by myself because they look horrible. As you can see, there's bubbles everywhere. They are all scratched up and everything. So I got straight to it, took the door panel off, took the old tint off, cleaned everything, and I thought, damn, this is about to be easy. But no, the guy on YouTube done it easy. I couldn't do that. So I ended up wasting tint after tint after tint after tint after tint, and probably a couple more tints, but I'm not gonna admit to it because that's just embarrassing. But honestly, this part was the most embarrassing, and when the realization kicked in, I just couldn't, I had to start laughing. I just realized what I've done. I fucked this completely up. I just gotta get more tint. No way, look at this thing. What the fuck? I didn't think I'd get more tint. This is fucked. So unfortunately, that did not work out, but we are now at Studio Sound here in Phuket, and Bossman here is absolutely amazing, and he's gonna help me do the window tinting. So let's see how it goes. At the moment, he's just working on the electrics in the car since it's all messed up and the back windows don't work. But in the meantime, let me show you guys what Bossman actually does here. So Bossman over here builds sound systems for any car at affordable prices here in Phuket. The place is called Studio Sound. So if you're in Phuket and got a car and you want a very nice sound system, then come over here, check it out, because it's honestly incredible work that he does and looks amazing and very professional. So Bossman has gave me all the equipment to wrap the windows by myself. So here we've got a trolley with everything on there, with squidgies, with microfiber cloths, everything that I need is on there. Plus we got all the window film down there, so we won't run out of it this time. But yeah, let's get it started. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully I won't fail miserably this time, because I'll have someone to guide me. Let's go. So again, I got straight to the window cleaning. Bossman come over to help me with the side cuts. So he's done the side cuts for me, and he's just left me with the top cut. He's like, do the top cut yourself. So I was like, all right, cool. Let me do this. I started doing it. The window film slipped down, and yeah, the top cut went horribly wrong. I got annoyed at that point, and I was like, you know what? You just do it, I'm gonna pay you for it, and let's just get this done and over with, man. So Bossman started wrapping the windows for me, and he done it with such ease that it made me feel even worse with myself. So he's done the right side for me, and then he done the left side for me, and in no time, I was literally on my way home. Right, so I just got back home. Bossman done it for me, because I just didn't have the patience to do it, unfortunately. He did do a good job on it. As you can see here, no bubbles, nothing like that. It looks perfect. Nice. The other side is nice as well. The window is very scratched up though, as you can see everywhere. So the back windows weren't done because the back windows don't work. They don't go down, up and down. Something wrong with the electrics. I have no clue what's going on, but because the car has a wide body, I don't know, there's a plug over here, and that plug is meant to be plugged in somewhere, but there is no space for it. So fuck it, it is what it is. I'm gonna go do the rest of the windows next time to Bossman. He's gonna help me again. But yeah, that's it for the video. Have a good day, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.